Hey everybody, this is Lisa. Welcome back to my channel. I am coming on with a project share using the dies that I received from Globleland, and I will have Globleland website in the description box along with a coupon code, and the coupon code is happy10 if you want to save 10% off of your order, no matter how big or how small. And I will have the links to the items that I'm sharing today. I already have a project share video up and an unboxing. I will link those as well if you want to check those out. So, in today's video, I am sharing this set here. Now, this set, that's the number, and I'll have it linked below. This set comes with two different boxes, okay? And you get lots of pieces, but necessary pieces, okay? So it's not just a bunch of layering stuff. So this is one box. So this is actual a little box, and this is your base. So that is one there. And then you have the layering pieces. All of that came together. And then you have this little circle here. It's really pretty. And then there's a butterfly and a little bitty flower. And then here's your next box, which is like this. And then you have these two layering pieces here. And this one, I think, came with this one. But it doesn't matter because these actually come in the same order. So you get two boxes. It's like a set deal. So that is what I used. So I'm going to show you the little one first, which is this little box here. And I did a few of them. So these are the ones that I made. So really, really cute. I just used some paper that I had already out. I made some poinsettias up. And then on the inside, I just did a little piece of seam binding. And see if I can get it off. And then this die is, it's a small box, but it's a cute. So here is just a little pack of 4 little beads. And I say these beads are probably 16, 17 millimeter beads. They fit right down in there. And then what this box is you don't have to glue anything on this box. See? So that's how the box is going to look when you cut it out. Just like this. And all you have to do is fold these up. Latch that in there. And then latch this one. And then that's your box. Right there. So like I said, it holds that. Okay. I'll put that back together. This one, that's just how I decorated it. It's kind of plain on the back. This one was like a little thicker ribbon that I have in my stash. I just put some Velcro dots right there. And then when you open it up, I have these 2 little packs of beads. These beads are 8 millimeter. So you can tell that you put these 2 together, they're going to fit. You can fit that much in there. Just like that. So that is that one. You could do sequin mixes. This one, I don't have anything in there. And I just tied some ribbon. So I did that one. This one, what do I have in there? Oh, some more of those beads here. I have in here. And I'm thinking you can fit some Hershey Nuggets. Let's see. Let's see if those will go in there. I think you could do one, and then you could do it like that. It'll hold 2 Hershey Nuggets that way. That's really cute. So that'd be a good cute little thing to maybe gift to a coworker, or maybe have it sitting on a coworker's area for when they come in, they'll see it. That'd be really cute. So those nuggets will fit. So that is the cute little boxes that I made using the smaller one. I'm going to put this back together. And I just put that Velcro on that ribbon to hold it together like that. So it's really cute. Okay, and so for the next size, which is this one here, this is what it looks like when you fold it all up. So that's what it looks like there. So I did that one. I did this one. And then I did this one here. So what I did, so I was thinking, okay, well, that's just a little piece of string there. You could use ribbon. I put a lid on mine. So you only get one like base piece for the box. And I believe it's actually meant to go like this. But I was thinking, well, I don't want nothing to fall out of that. So all I did was cut this out twice. Now, it's going to be the exact same size. So what you do is, I don't know how well you can see. When I put these edges together there, you see how I left some room right there? I didn't go all the way flush to the ends. So you do two sides, okay? And you put it on your box right there. And then once you get it fit, you glue the other two sides so you know it fits. So that's how I created that. You know, you just have to glue the top together. You see that little space? Just where it's not a tight fit. And then it will, you know, it'll go on there. So I just put some little flowers down in there. So I'm going to put my lid back on. See, the lid will fit perfect that way. And I think all of these has flowers. So this one, I just did a plain lid. And I think because I already had the bottom finished, I wanted some little decorative piece on the side. I just didn't want it to be all white. So after I did that, I was like, oh, maybe I can make a lid. So then I did the lid, so I just did a white lid. So I have some flowers in there. Really, really cute box. I like this. And then this one is the same way, but this is like a shimmered lid because I used the shimmer here. And then that's some flowers there. And I also know that the nuggets, I think you can get 3 of these nuggets in here perfect. So you got 2 right there. I'm going to hold that one in place. Bring that one over there. 3 nuggets will fit perfect. Perfect for 3 of the nuggets. So that'll be a cute little gift as well. Or the flowers. I like the flowers myself. I might would want to receive one of each. One with flowers and then one with the chocolate. What about y'all? Let me know. What do y'all want? Let me know in the comments. We can make this a giveaway. So in the comments, if you've came this far, tell me which one. Now you can't be like me. You can't choose both. Which one would you rather receive? Flowers or the nuggets? Okay. So this is going to be a hidden giveaway. Okay. So tell me in the comments. Somewhere in your comments, put flowers or nuggets. And then that will let me know that you would want to be in the giveaway. Don't mention giveaway in your comments, and then I will send you some of these little goodies here. Okay, and I'll leave this video up for about a week before I do the drawing. Okay, so I think that'll be fun. So that is it. I will have everything in the description box. Globleland's website, the link to all of the items, unboxing, the first project share, so you can see what I created over there. And that is it, you guys. I thank you all for watching, and I will see you on the next video.